I don't think the problem is us having sex. I just think you need to slow it down. I haven't even finished paying off the ring yet.
Oh.
Look, let's put a date in the calendar, right? And commit to it. But you keep running, why?
You know, maybe he's not ready yet. So if he's not ready, you can't really push his hand, you know? Yeah, 25, you're still young, isn't it?
There you go.
Look, it's not that young. Don't think I don't see you liking other girls' pics on the gram either.
Oh my gosh. Is that where we're going?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
We're gonna pay for a session, but talk about that.
Because it's an issue to me. How do you not see it's an issue?
How is it an issue?
I don't like it.
It's engagement. I'm just liking people's pictures.
Why?
Yeah.
I don't think I didn't see you like your ex's picture the other day.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's getting hot in here.
Listen.
It's
I'll
getting
start
hot
talking
in
about my
here.
ex.
Yes, talk
Because
about
you still
it.
go do your
It's
exes
a
that
session.
follow you.
We're paying for the session.
And they're liking all
Let's
your
talk.
pictures.
Oh.
Am I liking them back?
Whoa.
You're commenting back.
No, I'm not.
You're commenting back.
Listen,
And what about our
face.
trip to Egypt?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it?
What about
What
it?
it
Yeah.
Where
isn't
is it?
good for.
You took all these pictures. All I see is
Absolutely
you and your mum on a
nothing.
You know, I like to.
Hello? Is it okay if we can just, stop talking so plenty? Is that all right? Yeah, because it's getting very active. I think I seem to know what the issue is. Phyllis, why are you liking girls' pictures if she doesn't like it?
It's just Instagram.
It's just, you see this Instagram. Instagram is instantly breaking a relationship left, right, and center. But it's just pictures, isn't it?
Exactly.
It's not really a big deal, isn't it? Because you know that emotions, is it?
It's
Emojis.
Emojis. Yeah, I put the emoji when I want food from the Ghana shop, the yam. When I want the fried yam, and they bring it, And I don't think it's that much of a big deal, is it?
Look, you need to stop putting those heart eye emojis on the girls' pics. That's all I'm saying.
And you need to stop posting pictures of your bum.
Oh, don't you start. What Look, if people want to like my pics, fine, right? I'm not liking other guys' pics. I'm not leaving her eyes on anyone else's pic.
Yeah.
But you, on the other hand, why do it?
I'm being
Disrespect
polite.
me for
If I
what?
see a girl put up a picture and I'm following her, I'm being polite. There's
How's
nothing
that
to it. We
being
ain't
polite?
linking up. That's it. It's a double tap and I'm gone.
How about you just don't tap?
Because I want them to engage with me.
Why? You want them to engage with you?
Only to build up my social.
Oh, you are so frustrating. Do you know that? Listen, my mum was right. I don't know why I waste my time with you.
Yeah, you don't know.
Over this.
Just calm down because your mouth, it moves a bit like an orangutan.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we came here today. Because when I'm at home, I don't get a word in. Thank you for seeing this.
Yeah.
Do you know what? You guys talk, yeah? I'm just gonna go outside and get some air.
Look.
No, I'm done.
Heaven.
Really?
Heaven.
No, listen, let her go. Let her go.
Heaven.
Doc, let her go. She's
Oh,
emotional. And that's what I'm like all day at home. Do you understand why she can't
no,
see where I'm
listen,
coming
I
from?
totally understand.
Because she just
where-
runs off.
I totally understand what
You know
you're
what I'm
coming from. Yeah, don't think I'm on your side,
Huh?
Do not think I'm on your side. How can you be liking girls' pictures and getting caught? Who does that? That is the schoolboy era. Primary errors. You're laying the side down. You need to pattern up.
Well, it's just emojis. You know, like you said with
It's
the
not
food,
it's not emojis. Hey, I'm quite sad. Well, you need to go because I have another session coming soon. So you need to, it's good. You've got all the advice you got from me.
That's it.
That's it. You take your time. Stop liking the pictures. Keep her happy. Keep your woman. That's it.
I appreciate it.
Keep your woman. Huh? And get yourself a nickname or something. How can you be calling yourself Phyllis? Are you a cat? Meow.